Let's say there's a requirement to create hundreds of users in your organization. What you can do? Can you create one by one user each time? Of course, it will be very time consuming, right? So another option you have is you can use PowerShell, right? And now recently Microsoft has also added this bulk operation in the Azure portal. So if I click here, you can see that you can create users in bulk, or you can invite or delete user in bulk, or you can also download all these users which you have in your organization in CSV format. So if I just click on this download user, you can select the name of the file here, and then you can just click on start. And within few seconds, this will have you file which you can download, and this file will have all the users from your organization. Now, meanwhile, this is in process. Let me go ahead and try to create bulk user. For that, Azure has provided us this template, and we can download this template here. And if I open this template, I have to provide information about my user. So if I expand all these columns here, you can see that some of these columns have a required value. That means these are mandatory values which you need to provide. And other columns like your name and location, your job, country, all this information is not mandatory. These are optional. So you can leave this if you don't have value at this time. So let me provide, for example, the display name of user and the username. For username, I can go back to my portal, and once again, I can open one of these user and can take this domain, and I can just mention the name of this user. For example, the demo user 11, right? And then I need to provide the initial password. So I can just keep this password, my password 1234, block sign in no. Similarly, I can provide same information for another user here, user 12, demo user 12 here, password. If I want, I can change a little bit. Similarly, you can provide more information about the information about the more users here. Let me do this offline quickly. All right, so I have provided information of 4 users here, and I have saved this file in one of my folder with the same name as a template as of now. All right, now let me go back to my portal once again, and let me click on users. And with the bulk operation, I want to create users. So we have edited the template. Now I want to select this file which we have just created. So I will select this file and I'll click on open here. File uploaded successfully, and I'll click on submit. Now once again, this will take a few minutes, and within few minutes we will see that we will have all these new users here. Now earlier in this lecture, if you remember, we downloaded bulk user, all the users we have in our organization. So let me go to bulk operation results here and export user on today's date. So this is the file, and we can go to download result, and this file should have users of our organization. So let me open this file here, and you can see that we have all these users, demo users, which are right now in our organization. All right, so now if I go back to users here, and again I'm inside the bulk operation result here, and you can see that this was the type user create, and you can see that all of this is successful. That means now if I go back to users, we should have all these users in our system, in our organization, and you can see that demo user 11, 12, 13, 14, all users are created here. All right, so I hope now you get an idea that how we can perform bulk operation from the portal. Thank you.